talk about The Abyss. You know, I can remember when that came out, Premiere Magazine did a rather lengthy article about the film, and it made it almost like, you know, a descension into hell for actors. Do you agree with that assessment, and what are your feelings about that film now?
I think the film's really good for the first 2 hours. I think the last 10 minutes or so is really embarrassing, and that's too bad because everyone worked so hard on it for so long. And that Premiere article was really misleading because I was at a conference, one of these things with a bunch of writers talking about another film, Jackknife, and this gentleman from Premiere asked me about The Abyss, and I said, I have nothing to say about The Abyss right now, I'm here to talk about Jackknife. And he persisted and persisted and persisted, and I finally said, look, I got nothing to say about The Abyss, and I never will. It was kind of like, you know, to you. And so, of course, he writes the article and puts this right up in the middle of the page, which makes it seem like there's this huge crisis of support for the film. I worked on that film much too hard to not support it. It was difficult at times, it was dangerous at times, but it was also you know, an extremely challenging thing that I felt very good about. So, you know, things get blown out of proportion sometimes.